Hey guys, welcome to Mapao TechTube. This video is only for educational purpose. We are not responsible for anything. Try with your own device and try at your own risk. So today we are gonna see a new trick for FRP unlock in Huawei Honor devices. So guys, you might have tried the keyboard settings trick and emergency call trick. So this is a Huawei Honor y5ii. So there is a tutorial for blind people, so we're gonna use that. For that, you first set up your device. India. So connect to your Wi-Fi networks. So it's connected. Agree. So now go back. Click disagree. When going back, don't forget to turn on the Wi-Fi. You need internet connection to work out this. So come to the first page. You should see the Wi-Fi connection here. So take your two fingers and place on the phone at the same time for a while. So you're seeing the basic navigation for blind peoples. So
Talk back on. Lesson 1, Basic Navigation. Part 1, Explore by Touch. Talk back tutorial. Item 8.
so go back.
Tutorial home button. Talk back tutorial.
Each and every time you have,
second. Showing items 1 to 3 of 5.
so you have to select a, you have to use two fingers to scroll it.
Showing items 2 to 4 of 5.
Put a L symbol.
Alert global context menu. Showing items 1 to 8 of 8.
It will show the menu. Go back. Go to talkback settings.
In list, talkback settings. Talkback settings. Showing items 1 to 8 of 33.
Do the same to your phone.
In list, not checked. Use not speak when screen is off. Shake to start continuous reading. Disable. Speak not checked. Speak not checked. Speak not checked. Vibration not checked. Decrease other audio volume while speaking. Off switch. Showing items. Explore by alert disable. OK button. Talkback settings.
So now you
showing
can
items 14 to 22 of 33.
So now you can use like a ordinary phone.
Showing items 26 to 33 of 33.
First turn on the annoying
volume.
volume.
Settings. Ringtone volume.
Okay. Go to terms and service. It should come up like this. So accept and continue. Thanks. So first we have to download the quick shortcut. So quick shortcut maker APK. Search it. So uptodown.com. So click it. Click download. Wait. It will show when the download is completed. So open it. Install it. give accept. So when the installation is complete, open it. We have to install the Google account manager, so that we have to see the Android version of the mobile. So go to applications, scroll down, you can see the settings here, so give it a try. Go to the about phone, see this is Android version 5.1. so go back, go back, go back, go back. So if you messed up somewhere, don't panic, just factory reset it again. That's the only way we can do this. I switched to UC browser because I'm facing some problems in Chrome. In UC you can see the downloads here, so it's good one. So I have installed quick shortcut maker. So I've seen the versions of the Android, so 5.1. so I have to now download the Google account manager 5.1. 5.1.1, that's so important. So click here. So scroll down, you can see the APK, download it. So click download. If you see the download, you can see here. So when the download completed, you have to install. So when done, you have to again install the quick shortcut manager. So that's how we can see the new installations. So give install. Give open. Type Google and search. You can see the Google account manager. So see here, so this should come up like this, login activity. So click that, click try, go to the options, browser sign in, give OK. It will promote a browser, give your account or Gmail, any Google account. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.